Up in her crib. Hey, Juliet! Juliet! What are you doing now? Going one-handed. Oh my gosh. You're a daredevil. One-handed. No hands! Oh my gosh! No hands, Mom! Look! What are you doing? Trying to escape? Yeah, I think we need to adjust your crib so it's a little bit lower. Dun, dun, dun. Hey! Hey! Does that crib taste good? Does it taste good? Come on, do something else. Do something different. Come on, come over here. Come over here. Yeah. Come on, walk with me. Walk with me. Down here. Come on. No, you gotta hold on with both hands if you're gonna walk. I don't think you're that good yet. Oh, there we go. The sit and the crawl. Come on, come over here. Come on, come over here. Look, it's your hippo. Your hippo. He wants to play. Come on. Yeah, Juju. Oh, that looked